A second military incident in West Texas has resulted in airspace being temporarily closed. Trump administration officials are confirming the military accidentally shot down a Customs and Border Patrol drone, and it is raising all kinds of questions. Chris Van Cleve reports.
It appears this latest incident occurred sometime Wednesday, though we didn't learn about it until late Thursday night when the FAA closed off additional airspace outside of the El Paso area in Texas. Think back a couple of weeks ago to the last time this high-energy laser was used. It was targeting what authorities thought was a drone linked to a Mexican drug cartel. It turned out to be a party balloon. This time, it was in fact a drone that was targeted, just the drone belonged to the federal government, Customs and Border Protection. Now, this drone was apparently operating over the Fort Hancock area outside El Paso. It also appears the Pentagon was not alerted by CBP in advance. The military used that same high-energy laser system that led to the last closure of the airspace around the El Paso airport by the FAA 2 weeks ago, appearing to present a united front late Thursday night. The Pentagon, CBP, and FAA released a joint statement saying they're, quote, working together in an unprecedented fashion, but also admitted the agencies have to, quote, work on increased cooperation to prevent such incidents in the future. Meanwhile, top Democrats on a number of committees on the Hill also released statements. This is a quote from one of those statements. Our heads are exploding over the news. They say the White House has sidestepped legislation aimed at improving interagency communication. This time, the FAA flight restrictions are not impacting commercial flights. The agency says it's not in an area where airliners typically operate. And from a military perspective, they can say definitively this anti-drone laser system does work. Chris Van Cleve, CBS News, Phoenix.